Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from, this is the third of the series of Vite Ramen. This is their vegan mushroom Shio. The first time around when I was doing all the prototypes, this was my absolute favorite. So I'm curious now that this is in production, if they changed much about it, if it's better, if it's worse. So we'll see. So here's all the stuff. I'm gonna drop the noodles in for 2.5 minutes. There we go. Yeah, this stuff is protein and low sodium. It's got 30 grams of protein. It's low sodium. It's vegan. And boiling over. It's one of those days. I'm having another shoe day. But actually I ended up putting on shoes that kind of fit a little better. But it's still a tough go as far as me and shoes are concerned. And forks too, because I had a fork, but now it's gone. Come on, where? That's irritating. So I have to get a fork. And without a fork, I can't do what I must do, which is stir. I have to stir the noodles with a fork. Without doing this with a fork, I'm doomed. So I'm gonna use a fork. That was my crappy Christopher Walken impersonation. But they gave me another full box of those Safeway coupon ticket deals. So I have 1,000 of them now. I bought, you know what I bought today? Where is it? Oh geez, where is it? Uh-oh. Ah, there it is. I need to prep this for the next one. A lime. I bought one lime. And I hid this uncomfortable thing up my ass. No. But I bought a 50-cent lime and they gave me 500 game tickets. So, but the game ends today. I was like, okay, all right. Now I see the deal. So I've finally just given up on doing the sachets. So much easier doing it this way. So I will let you watch. And I hope that's enough. Watch me pour sachets into broth so you can see what's inside them. Because, frankly, I can't even see that. Oh, my nose is killing me. It's allergy season. That was the nutrients sachet. Let me make it so you can see. We got the canola oil. Canola oil. See, I think this might actually end up working better because then you can actually see the viscosity of the wet sachets. Because I know you guys are that into this that you need to know the viscosity of instant noodle ingredients. For me, actually, I find that fascinating, but... Hi, this one tastes like chicken, it's super good. You know, for that guy, it's like... doesn't really care, probably. And this is the main soup base. And there's a lot of it. Their chicken and their pork one are made with bone broth. I don't know what they're doing in this one. But as you can see, maybe the broth definitely gets nice and cloudy. There's a lot of stuff going on in here. And then we have the veg. And there it goes. So today is a special day because today I asked, can anybody buy this big box of noodles on eBay and send me a couple? I'd really appreciate it. And one person did. The guy's name, he's on Facebook. You scroll back because this will come out a month after today, but a guy named Nick Bizarro, and he gets his name in gold leaf patina, gothic old style print like a gangsta on the Ramen Raider mausoleum plaque at old Rambling Stokesman Neighbors after he succumbs to time. So it'll be at the mausoleum. Here are the noodles. We will give these a try, like so. The broth. It's even better. Nice. I would say out of all three, this is my absolute favorite. And it has such good flavor to it. And it's odd because I'm not a big fan of mushroom, but this one, it's just super awesome. Loving it. Definitely loving it. Alright. So let's make it happen. We will use the official Vite Ramen bowl. That's what that is. And there we go. Noodles. Yeah, 500 calories, all of that. That's a lot of food. Okay, so it's vegan, right? There's some fried tofu. Some mung bean sprout. Go 2 grams. A little bit of coriander, spring onion, and a little bit of shichimi togarashi. If it's not already, yeah, it's coming out. And there, I believe we are. So let's go to the realm of Rotato and enjoy hard. All right. Alright, coolio, if you want to get these, you can go over to viteramen.com. That's VITERAMEN.com, viteramen.com. Hey, tell them that the Ramen Raiders sent you. Try this one out. Try everything out. Be cool. Bye-bye.